Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we were discussed about to change password inside our projects. So in this video I will cover add to wishlist. Because of wishlist here you need to set account, but this is the wishlist we need to show once user login. After it's possible to show wishlist. Last video we done like a change password, so in this video we can cover wishlist. Before we can start wishlist, you are new in this channel or in this series, so please subscribe our solution and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website errorsolutioncode.com and you can buy it script. Here already there by other projects, so you click, so you can see it all the projects. Okay. And also, do you want to develop as a freelancer work? Just contact Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype. So let's start now wishlist. So before we can start wishlist, so we need to check like user login not login. Suppose I click here, so I need to check user login not login. Same thing we did inside like a login button. So here you click, so we need to open the pop-up. On this pop-up again, we need to told him you can log in, otherwise you can register. After you can do it wishlist. Okay. So let's make a condition. First we can check it is a login not login. So resources, views, inside products, inside you can see it like detail.blade.php. And we don't want to do here review, so just remove the review because I don't want to work as a review. Okay, let's leave it review. We can work also review. So just we can make add to wish list. Just you can search here, and here we can remove these comments. I don't want to need these comments. Also I need to remove this all the comments. So first I am checking if auth check is not empty and if. Okay, so here check like is not empty. Here I can make like a else part. So else part inside whatever there inside login wise, this is the we need to put here. So let's go back again. We can make spec element and login inside whatever there we need to copy. Just you can copy for this one and you can put here. And also you can go back again and whatever that data toggle is equal to models, so we can put also this here. Okay, so let's try it's working not working. So just go back again, refresh the page here, and I just press the add to wish list. So you can see open because of here not login, this reason. Suppose user can log in, let's log in as the admin because admin is also users, this reasons. I log in now. Okay, so you can see it now. I click, so not open the pop-up because of it's working for the add to wish list. So now here you are clicking, so we need to get for this product id, and this product id again we need to store our user id inside database. So we need to create a new tables inside a database. So first we can call the ajax, and after we can do create a table. We don't want to refresh the page because page you can refresh taking time and is not look good for the user friendly. So just we can call the ajax. So simple, you can create a one class, and here you can make like javascript like this, so you don't go to hash above here, you see it here. Okay, so we don't want to get now between wish list. Okay, so just you can put here like a id is equal to product id. So go up and you can see it here is a product id. So get product, inside already you get the id, dollar product id means id only. And here I can create a new class add to wish list. Just you can add like this. Okay, now we don't want to write like a css js code inside a detail. We need to write like a common function. So just go to layouts, inside need to go to app.blade.php and just scroll down. So here we need to write same thing we did like a submit from registration, submit from login means from login. So simple, you can write here, just copy above one and put here. Now add to wish list here to do, so just you can use class, and here you can make like a click event. We don't want to use like event free events, we don't need. And here we can find out data, and here we can make our success message, just remove. We can pass the data like this, so just copy and put here. Okay, it's very simple. We also need to pass token, these reasons. and here we can get the product id. So where product id dollar this attributes dollar id, sorry id, and this product id we need to pass inside data. Okay, so very simple, very easy. Okay, now we don't want to use error also here, so just remove and you can meet success like this. So here we have called the Ajax, add to wish list, click events and you click, so we are getting the product id as a attribute is the id inside there, and we can call the Ajax. So here we need to change our URL, so just you can change like a add to wish list. Now you can go to like a routes, inside go to web.php and just scroll down, so here is there, so just you can create a new function inside users controller, add to wish list. Same thing you can do to add to wish list. Now you can go to like a user controller, inside and create a new function add to wish list. Routes we have created done, just go to scroll down and here you can create function add to wish list and request dollar request. Okay, let's make a dd all. So let's explain again all the flow what I did. Before we ever create detail inside, we are going to detail.blade.php inside go, and we have checked the condition is login cannot login. Suppose is not login, so we open the login form. Suppose is login, so we did one class and we have did also one attributes, means the id inside one product id. Once we click on this class again, so we have write one JS code. So JS code inside we have called the Ajax, and Ajax we are fire inside a controller. Controller inside we are getting the data like product ID, whatever here their ID against, this is the ID we are passing, and here we have created one post method, means create a new routes, add to wish list, and this wish list function we have create inside a user controller. Here we have did like a request all. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page and we can click again. So it's working, not working. Just go to networks and I click on the add to wish list. So you can see calling, and here also we are getting the product ID, so 7 product ID. So it's working very well, no any issue. Now we need to create a new function, means a new tables inside a database. So just click on the new, and here you can do it like a product wish list. So just you can create a new same like product image product like this there. So product wish list, whatever table name do you want to like, you can use it, but I like it like a simple name product wish list, so we know that this is the product against. Just ID, and here is a user ID who is doing, and here is a product ID, and just you can make auto increment, sorry add more columns, so you can add created at and updated ads. Now just you can date and times, and here you can pass null. Okay, here is a always need an integer value, and just click on the save button. So table successfully created. Once table created, after we need to create one models. So how to create a model? Just copy this name product wish list and go to app, inside go to models, inside create a new files, and new files press Ctrl S, and after you can change the name like product wishlist model. It's possible using the command prompt, but we are open the command take much time, better we can do directly. And I just copy this name. Now I'm going to any other controller, suppose I'm going to product size controller, I copy this one and I can put here, and I just change this class name and also remove the above space. Okay, let's add a, here is the name of the our product wish list. Just you can change it and remove this space. You can leave it get single, and also you can leave it like a delete record. Delete record inside we need to pass like one user ID also, so dollar user ID, and here you also you can pass like a new condition like user IDs. How to we can use, I can show you, but right now just create a function because already there these reasons. Okay, so let's go to product wish list model inside, sorry means go to user controller, and we can declare here our models. So simple, just you can do it here. Okay, product wish list model. Now we need to save, so dollar save is equal to new product wish list save as a product id. So you already getting the product id dollar request. Inside we are getting the product id. Next one we are getting the also user id inside authentication. So just you can type authentication user id auth users id, and after we need to save. Now we need to do $json status is equal to true. After I can told you what command we need to pass, so it's working very well, so don't worry. Okay, echo json, sorry, true, not false. Echo json encode, inside we need to pass jsons. So let's test it's working, not working. Just go back again and we can check. So I just click on the add to wish list. So here is a success message, means it's working. So here is a one entry you can find out, like a user id against product id, you see it. Okay, suppose I will click again, so means it's a duplicate entry, so we don't want to make duplicate entry. So first we need to check, is it already there database? Yes, there. So we need to remove, suppose not there, so we need to add. So just you can make another condition here. If check, create a new variable check, and here you can make like a new function check product, otherwise check already, whatever do you want to, like you can make it new function. If is empty, so it's going to inside. Suppose is already there, so it's going to here, and we need to remove. So here we can write a remove code. So let's make a first this function, after we can write a remove code. So just product id, and here I can pass like a user id. Okay, now we need to create a new function inside a product wishlist model. Same thing, just copy about delete records, just copy and paste here, and here you can type like a returns, and here also you can change function name. Here you can get to just returns, product id is product id, user id user id, and here you can put like count. Now we need to call the delete record functions, so just go back again. Here you can call the delete record function, and here is a parameter there, like this. So here we need to pass like $json is equal to like is wishlist, like we need to create o1 is wishlist. Suppose add, so we can pass like 1. Suppose not add, so we can pass like a 0, means deleted. Okay, so let's explain again what we have did. We have first check is already there inside database, so we have created a new function check already, and we have passed 2 parameter here. So you can see it like a product wishlist model inside, like a 2 parameter. After we have made here count, same as a delete function there before, we have just copy and put here, and we have put here count. Suppose is a count found, so it's going to else part, so we are removing whatever there inside database, means you make a wish list, means you are removing inside a wish list, you don't want to need a like a inside our wish list. So this is them. So we have passed like a json inside 0, and we have passed here like a 1. Why we have passed, I will explain before we can add and delete, after I can explain. Okay, so let's go back again, we can check it's working not working. Just click on the back again, so you can see it unexpected $json. Let's see what's the error. Okay, because of I forgot here semicolon. So let's clear here, add to wish list. So here you can see 0, means here is a star is not there. Suppose I can make again, so you can see 1 means the add. Suppose I make again, so you can see 0. So I can put 1. So this heart icon we need to fill. So let's see what we can do, so we can fill here. So simply here is there btn wish list. So here is there before, here the condition, just put like this, so you can see fill. So we need to create a new class inside a btn before. So we need to create a new class, and we can add and remove this class name. Okay, so what we can do, just go to style.css assets inside. So just go to assets inside css, inside style .css. Here's the one line code, so we don't want to do here, we just need to go to app.blade.php, and here I can create a new styles, and here I can do it like a btn wish list before, means add. Just I create a new class like a btn wish list add, and whatever here there, this class I will copy here. We need this one, right? Just copy and paste here. Now once you can do, so we need to add class. So also you can make here like a is important. So this class we need to add and we need to remove. So let's go back again, app.blade.php down, and here you can make conditions like if data dot wish list. Let's go to user controller again, and I just close this one. Also I close. Also I don't need, so also I close. Okay, is wish list is equal to 0, means we need to remove this class. Suppose 1, so it's going to else, but we need to add this class. So first we need to create a one class here also, like add to wish list using the concat id wise, like this. So just you can make add to wish list and you can concat for this id. So we can add to class and remove the class, we can use it here. Please carefully watch what I am doing. First I will create one another class for the concat wise. Okay, so this class I copy and I can put here like a dollar dot, here I can concat our id, means product id, and here I can do like a remove class dot remove class, and here we can do it like a add class. So go to user controller, so you can understand. Here you can pass like 1 means the add class, you can see 0 means remove class, and here we can do it like a add class. So let's explain, means let's test so you can better understand. Okay, just go back again, refresh the page here, and we can try it's working not working. So now you can see I just make a add to wish list, just I click. So here is a fire, what's the error here there, not there. So just go back again, we can check it's working not working, because class is not added, this is the reasons. Add to wish list btn wish list. So data dot wish list remove class. Okay, because of this record is already there inside database, so you can see it is a 0 found, this reason. So I click on again, so you can see highlights means the add the class, you see it. So I'm going to here, so you see it, here is a no any records, one record there. So I click here, so star is removed, and here you can see it like a also record not available. So suppose here is a record available and I will refresh the page, so also need to found like a heart icon. So what we can do, we need to go back again detail page, and here I can write one scripting. So just go to product controller, inside means product model, inside app models, inside you can see like product models. Here I need to make like one static class, means a function, whatever you can say, just you can make static, there are function, whatever we need we can use. Here we need to pass like return, what is there. So just go to which controller, user controller, inside you can see this count check already, so just copy and you can put here, and here you can do it like a return, and here you can pass like a product id and authentication id already there. So just we need to declare up, so just go to up, and here you can use like use auth, and just scroll down, here you can make like function check wish list, just copy the spelling so we can't make a mistake. Let's go back again detail page, and we can call this function. So simply just we can try first, it's working not working. So just get products, here I pass like a check wish list, and here I can pass like a product id. Let's refresh the page so we can check it's working not working. So just go back again and refresh the page here, so you can found one count, so it's working very well. Simply you need to make one condition here, like here, if sorry, we need to start the first, we need to start first like a curly bracket. So we can check here, we can make like this blank, and here we can make like a class. Here is the count found, so it's going to inside, and we need to put here class, whatever class we have created inside a app. So btn wishlist add, and just you can pass inside a detail. Okay, so let's go back again. We can check it's working, not working. It's 100% working because of here is a there. So with error there, so we need to solve the error, but is error not there? So one curly bracket is more there, so just we need to remove. So where is the curly brackets? More availables. Here is a two. Here is a two. Just remove. Let's see. Refresh the page. So also there. So okay, here. Just remove this here. Okay. So I can told you what I did. First, get model, get product. Get product means is a product model. Product model inside I have created a new function, static function check wishlist, and here I have passed like a check already inside two parameter like product ID and user ID. Suppose you know, like here you understand, so better way you can understand here also. And after we have written count like 0 and 1. Suppose found the 1, I made here condition like is not empty. Suppose not empty, so it's going to inside. Now we add a new class btn wishlist add. After we have class like a blank. Let's save these files and just go back again and refresh the page. And after you can try to call here. Suppose I click here, so you can see it's removed. Suppose I click here, so it's back. Now suppose I click here, and now I refresh the again, so it means it's removed. You see it here. You see, same thing we can here is the add to wish list. Now I'm going to shoes and footwears, and I'm going to other products like these products. Here also there add to wish list. You see it, so it's working very well, no any issue. So I refresh many times, so also working. Okay, so same thing we need to do here like add to wish list. Because of here to done, so here we need to do this reason I have did this coding like a app.blade.php, but this is the thing we need to do. So you need to check proper way. Just scroll down, and here you can see it like add to wish list. So just go to up, and you need to copy all thing whatever we did inside a detail. So means these things just copy and just scroll down, and here you can see add to wish list. Simply you can paste here, don't think much more, just paste here. And before you can paste, so just copy this class, all the class, and you can put here. Okay, next thing you can do it add to wish list. So add to wish list you can change. Now you can remove this one, we don't need anymore. Okay, now here also need to do so same thing. You can copy paste above one, like bottom one, whatever you did, you just copy paste here. Now here is this is the model we don't need, so just you can same thing you can do JavaScript. Okay, here is the btn wish list, so same thing you can pass like this, we have did like this here inside a class check wish. Here you need to change the variable name, so here is a variable name like a value, so just you can change the variable name is a value. Okay, and here also you can change. So this is the condition work. Now you need to create a few more classes like a btn wish list already there, btn product also there. So here is the two class there like a btn add to wish list and concat wish list. So just you can copy and you can put here whatever place do you want to, like you can put here, you can change like a value. Okay, so let's remove above one. Also you need to pass like id, so just copy for this id, and you can put like here id whatever place do you want to like, and here you can change like a value. And also you need to remove above one, and you can check it's working, not working. It is 100% working, but we need to check. Just go back again, refresh the page here. So error there, so we can check. You also may like, you see here is already failed. Suppose I removed let's see ajax calling, not calling, we need to check. So ajax calling, here I pass zeros, to is true one. Let me check here how to work, because sometimes different command wise work these reasons. Okay, add to wish list 7 add to wish list btn add to wish list. So before it works very well, Yes, it's working. Is a fill as a whites, you see. So it's working very well, you can see it. Suppose I remove here, I go outside, so you can see, you see fill is not good. I just press again. So it's removed. Let's see again. Let me check. I think we have forget one thing. Anything? Yes, because of we have not provided proper ID here. This is the reason it's not working very well. Just you can add a proper ID. Okay. I am thinking why is not working, but problem about that. So just remove and just refresh the page and just go scroll down. Now I click here. So you see it's working now. You see changing in our side. Suppose now I refresh and I just go back again and I check, so it's not there. Suppose I add to wish list. Now I refresh here and I just go back again, so you can see it's highlights. So it means working very well. Same thing we can do it inside here, like shoes, fashions. Suppose one place we can do, so automatic work all the place. So just you need to copy for this coding because of we have already done. Suppose of here done, so means every place working. Just copy. Now you can go to resources. Just go to like a product. Inside you can see list.blade.php, and here you can see wish list. Just you can remove this one. You can put this is the coding. Let me make control Z, so you can see this is the I'm removing and I'm putting this code. And also you can see this is a value variable, so we don't want to do anything else. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page here. So here is already there wish list, here is already there. Suppose I remove here, so you can see it's removed. Suppose I remove also here, so I'm going to detail page, sorry about that. I just click here, I also remove, so you see it, click there, here I click, so there you can see it, here I filled. So means it's working very well. So also you can see it here, so two already there, so this one not there, so I just click here, so it's working. Means add to wish list done. So next video I can do my wish list. Suppose you are click on the my wish list button, so we need to show same like listing, like here to starting listing, after you need to remove unremove, this is the your dependency, but we can show same thing. But how to work I can explain in next video. So do you have any question about to add to wish lists? So please comment out, and do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our error solution. And thank you for watching error solutions.